Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the raw file so edits are reversible. Open the activity, confirm the device and timestamps, then download the GPX or TCX immediately. Once downloaded, open a GPS editor or mapping app that supports GPX editing. Make sure it shows track points and timestamps. You want precise control, not automatic fixes yet. If your editor can show speed and elevation graphs, use them to spot spikes. Now that the file is ready, proceed to remove obvious outliers. Once done identifying spikes, delete isolated points that show impossible speed or sudden jumps. You can smooth short sections by averaging nearby coordinates or resample the track to consistent intervals like 1 to 5 seconds to avoid irregular spacing. Make sure you preserve realistic timestamps so Strava interprets duration correctly. If the ride/run follows mapped roads, snap the corrected segment to the route to restore alignment. After edits, validate the elevation and distance look reasonable before exporting. You finish by exporting the clean GPX or TCX and uploading it to Strava as a manual file import. Do not overwrite immediately. Once uploaded, compare distance, elapsed time, and elevation against the original to confirm fixes. Make sure to edit the title or description to prevent confusion, then delete the faulty activity if desired. If problems persist, retry with another editor, confirm your device time zone and UTC offsets, or contact Strava support with both original and edited files for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.